My name is DHAS from the FLIPSIDE KINGZ, born October 13th, 1983.
What up? BBOY KEEBZ, Master Mayhem Crew, my 180. Repping 10 rounds today against DHAS, January 7th, 1984.
Because that nigga's nasty, you know? To put me up against somebody that's real deal, you know what I'm saying? Niggas like a Holyfield in the game and shit, bringing it.
DHAS, Miami. We're both really into like footwork and threads, plays and all that.
It's the mad kinetic movement, yo, mad logics, mad flow, character, yo. He's just all around B-boy, real deal.
I like to dance a lot, I like to go down to I like to play that music.
My style's mad smooth, mad angles, creative, foundation.
Valley, Texas, and
I'm ready. It's like a game of chess. You know what I'm saying? I know how to make my moves, I know where to come from, where to go with it. And it's all about reacting to what he brings to me.
Y'all make some noise.